Hey, what's up guys, Okoko here. Welcome back to another mini review. If you are new to my channel, this is where I give quick and insightful reviews on prosumer products. If you find these reviews useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like these. Today we are going to be looking at these headphones. These are the Sony WH-CH520 headphones. So before we dive more into the specs, let's unbox this thing. As you may know by now, I am a big fan of good packaging. Ideally, I would like to spend less time unboxing a product and actually spend more time using the product. But these were pretty easy to get to. In the box, you'll find the headphones nicely wrapped up or not nicely wrapped up. And also, you'll find a USB cable. Why is it so small? Anyway, that's all you get in the box. Now, these headphones are what I'll probably consider mid-level, mid-tier prosumer headphones. These are not in any way professional graded headphones, but that doesn't negate the fact that Sony built this pretty well, especially for the price that it goes for. Now, these guys were released back in February of 2023. Once again, they are prosumer headphones. They are not anywhere considered professional graded headphones in my opinion. These are over the ears. It is important to note that these do not have active noise cancellation, but from my perspective, these perform pretty good. So as with these prosumer headphones, this one of course is no exception. It is made with hard plastic, built very well I should say. The ear loops fold inward, making it easy to transport. This does not have a carrying case, so you need to store this in a bag. The ear cups appear to be small, compared side by side with the CH710N. If you haven't seen my review, I'll leave the link here, and you can also fully adjust this to fit to comfort. These are snug when you put it on. I actually enjoyed the comfort of these around my head, and they will definitely hang tight when you're running or working out. Let's take a closer look at this. On the side, you have the volume up button, which also combos as a next button. You have the play and the pause button, which also combos as a pairing button or to pick up and end a call. The volume down button combos as a previous song button. To the side, it does have a USB-C charging port. Sony rates the listening time for up to 50 hours on full charge. These headphones are really light and relatively small, placed next to an iPhone 15 Pro and a Google 8 Pixel Pro. To set up and pair this device was fairly quick and easy to do. Once you turn it on, you will get the battery level announcement and a few beeps to tell you when it's in pairing mode. To pair these headphones, press down on the middle button for over 3 seconds. If you have one of the newer phones like the Google Pixel 8, once it enters pairing mode, you automatically get a prompt on your phone. You tap connect and you're good to go. Now let's talk about sound quality. As a musician, I try not to let my experiences with professional grade headphones impact these reviews. However, the gain levels are decent for a product of this tier. I cranked the volume all the way up and there was no distortion. If you have any experiences with Sony headphones, these are no exceptions when it comes to Sony sound processing. These compensate more for mids and mid-highs. I would have loved to get some more highs on these. Still sounds really good. The bass on these headphones are okay, especially for headphones without active noise cancellation. I did not expect anything more than this, so I should say that Sony did a pretty good job here. These headphones could be recommended for kids, teenagers. These currently are going for under $40 at Best Buy or Amazon. Thank you once again guys, that's it for this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.